Alright, so this is a little video introduction on this game. It's called Asteroids, and I'll show it here in just a second. But there are a lot of objects. We have a lot of stuff going on. It's a lot more in depth than the last game, and you're going to have to use some problem solving on your own. So it doesn't match up quite real well with, well, it matches up pretty well with the book, but there's a couple areas where you have to kind of improvise and do some problem solving on your own. So let me show the game quick, and I'll kind of try to talk while it's going on. Okay. Alright, so you get 3 lives and you have to rack up as many points as you can. Okay, and you can see my lives down there. When I get hit with an asteroid, it's going to take away a life. Now I got 2, and now I got 1, and the next time I get hit, the game is going to end. And you can see my score going up when you hit the asteroids as well. Okay. And then now I'm destroyed. I can't shoot anymore, but the game doesn't end. That was a fix I made just so you guys could see your score, because otherwise, when your last life went away, it immediately closed the game and you couldn't see your score because you're too busy, blasting away these asteroids. So, and the longer the game goes on, the more and the more asteroids. They just keep multiplying because when one room leaves the room, it just reappears at the top again. So eventually, if we'd watch this long enough, it's going to be like just full of asteroids. These things, these fruit pieces, they spawn more asteroids. So whenever one of these hits each other, more asteroids come out. And if you can see, there's a small asteroid, there's a medium asteroid, and there's large asteroids. Each one of these spawns one of those asteroids. So kind of fun game. This one we can keep score. It's pretty challenging. And you can make it more challenging or less challenging depending on different factors of your game. So let's close that. Okay. I wonder if I should do this later. Let's see. One of the areas you're going to have problems with is the scoring. Oh, there it is. Okay, there's a button missing here for the high score. Okay, so that kind of sucks. And we kind of have to do it a little differently. Or actually, it's the high score table, I think, that's missing, because it's lives. So there's just a few buttons that are missing. We'll have to kind of work together, and like I said, problem solve. It'll be, find out different ways to do things. Also, one thing I added here was score, and I set my lives here at the beginning. It just seemed to work. There was glitches when I did it differently. So when the game starts, so I did other game start. Do that. Okay, game start. Set your lives that way. Don't set them within the object. I think you'll have problems. So this is a fun game, so have fun with it.